2 of your Beehive textbook, that is Wind, which is written by Subramania Bharti. Now, students, I'll tell you more about this poem. Now, The Wind. This poem has been originally written in the Tamil language, okay, by Subramania Bharti and was translated from Tamil by A.K. Ramanujan. Okay, students. So, students, in this video, I'll read the poem for you. I'll explain this poem to you, and we will discuss the word meaning and literary devices too. So, let us start with it. Now, students, before we begin with the poem, I'll give you an introduction to the poem. So, we all know that wind is a natural phenomena that occurs. In this poem, basically, the poet talks to the wind. The power of wind has been described, and the poet says that wind is destructive. He has linked the destructive power of wind to the adversities and hardships of the life, and says that the weak people break down, but stronger people emerge out of the adversities. And students, the poem gives an important message that we should be mentally tough and physically strong in order to survive the hardships of the life. A weak person breaks down like a weak building and crumbles. We must make these destructive forces our friends with our strength and determination. So, students, whenever you are thinking the situation is very hard for you, so you have to be, either you can make that situation to be friend with you, or else you have to stand firmly in front of that hardship. So, let us begin with the poem. Now, students, let us start with the stanza number 1. Wind, come softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. Now, students, at first we'll see the meaning of poking fun. It means making fun of something. And what is the meaning of weaklings here? It means it refers to a person who is weak. Now, children, let us see what does the poet saying here. Now, children, let us see what poet is saying in these lines. Now, basically, the poet is talking to the wind here. He asks the wind to come softly. So, he is saying that the wind should not be very strong and loud. It should be soft and subtle. Then he says that wind is very powerful and it is destructive. It breaks the shutters of the windows and scatter the papers. And when the wind is very powerful, all the books which are kept on the shelf falls down. So here the poet is describing the power of the wind. Okay, students? Then he says to the wind to look at the destruction that it had done. Whenever there is a strong wind, all the things that are weak, like small plants, tiny children, etc., they all get scared and they even fall and get hurt. We can say that in the initial part of the poem, the poet is referring wind as a young child. He is saying that it should come softly just like a small child does. In the later part, we come to know that the wind is destructive just like a youth, just like a young boy or a young girl who is full of energy.